So, a very happy morning, my dear children. I'm glad to meet you, see you all again. Yes, now I came here to explain C reading, an icon of civil right. Unit 6, already we have started freedom. Okay, A reading and B reading which were completed before. Now we have entered into C reading. This is the speech. Okay, and here that speech we can find that is the main character, that is Martin Luther King. Okay, he has given the speech in the time of he has taken Nobel Peace Prize award. In that time of he has given the speech. What is the speech about? Now let's go to the topic. Yes, Martin Luther King's acceptance speech on the occasion of award of the Nobel Peace Prize in Oslo, December 10, 1964. Yes, here in the 1964 he has received Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, at that time he has given this speech. And now started the speech. He started the speech with these words. What are the words? Your Majesty, Your Royal Highness, Mr. President, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, he addressed the people who are on the stage and who are there sitting in front of the stage. Means people and the president, every person are there. Okay, every member is there. Okay, then he addressing all the people. Yes, I accept the Nobel Prize for Peace at the moment when 22 million Negroes of United States of America are engaged in creative battle to end long night of racial injustice. Yes, I accept this Nobel Prize. Okay, and behalf of 22 million Negroes. 22 million Negroes means nearly 2 crores Negroes were there in United States. Okay, on behalf of them, I am accepting this award. Yes, and here why he accepted, and here he is struggling for racial justice. He is struggling for getting racial injustice. Okay, and here in the British, I already told you in the previous lessons, we already discussed that. And now for that freedom, he wanted to struggle. Okay, he is struggling for to get the freedom. Okay, for that purpose, racial injustice is there in United States, and here they are following racial injustice. We don't want racial injustice. Racial, which means color discrimination. Okay, and here we don't want that color discrimination. I am struggling for that. So, and so many people, so many Americans, they have accepted my struggle, they have accepted my movement. So that's why I have taken this Nobel Prize, Nobel Peace Prize. Yes, I accept this award on behalf of civil rights movement, which is moving with determination and majestic scorn for risk and danger and establish a reign of freedom and rule of justice. Okay, and here I accept this award behalf of civil rights movement, which is moving with determination. Now the movement is not finished, the movement is not completed. The movement is going on with determination. Determination, which means dedication. Determination and majestic scorn. Majestic scorn means it's like hatred. Means nobody are accepting. Means especially the whites, they are not accepting. Okay, and risk in danger, establish, and I wanted to establish. What he want to establish? Reign of freedom and rule of justice. Okay, I start the movement. Okay, the reason to get justice. So I am struggling to get justice. Establish justice. I am mindful that only yesterday in Birmingham, in Alabama, our children cried out for brotherhood, were answered with fire hoses, snarling dogs, and even death. Yes, see how cruel they are. The whites, the Britishers, how cruel they are. Just see. Yes, I am mindful. I am mindful means I remembered that. Okay, I remembered that only yesterday. Yesterday means not yesterday. That means recently happened. Okay. Yes, I am mindful that yesterday in Birmingham is a place in United States. In Birmingham and Alabama, our children means here the country people, means the Negro people. Okay, our children crying out for brotherhood. Okay, they want to get brotherhood with the whites, Britishers. Okay, at that time what the Britishers has done, see, and we are crying to get the brotherhood with the whites. Immediately what did they do? The whites, means the Britishers, means the Americans, what did they do? Yes, and they were answered with 5 horses. Okay, and here the Negroes are struggling to get the brotherhood, and immediately the Britishers, they have released 5 horses. 5 horses means here pipes which releases gas. Okay, means like fire gases. Okay, they have released fire gases on Negroes, all Negroes, and one more, and they yes, snarling dogs. Snarling dogs means here the aggressive growl with bared teeth, and it is the dog. We can see the aggressiveness and it shows its teeth. Okay, they left the dogs on Negroes. Okay, recently that was happened. I'm mindful that means yes, I remember that. Okay, we are struggling to get justice, but here you have done this one, and he has given the speech. And one more thing, yes, and what happened for the Negroes? And finally they died, even death. Yes, they died. I am mindful that only yesterday and in Philadelphia, Mississippi, young people seeking to secure right to vote were brutalized and murdered. Yes, here young people, they are seeking means desiring to get right to vote, means they want to get vote, they want to get the vote, means that is we are having, okay, right, that is the human rights. Okay, we are having that right to vote, and some people are asking, sir, we want right to vote, they are asking, and immediately the British people, what they have done? Brutally murdered, and the British people murder Negro people, those who asked about right to vote. And in the first one what have they done? And some members, they are asking brotherhood. Immediately the Britishers 5 horses, the Britishers have done on the 5 horses on people, Negroes, and they left the snarling dogs on Negroes. And one more thing, and some people, Negro people, they asked to get the vote, and immediately what the Britishers has done? Brutally murdered. Okay, and some people, the Negro people, were murdered by the Britishers. And next, one more incident, and only yesterday more than 40 houses of worship in the state of Mississippi alone were bombed or burned because they offered sanctuary to those who would not accept segregation. Yes, here. And the third thing, 40 houses worship in the state of Mississippi. Mississippi is a place in America. Okay, they are worshipping in the time of worship, in the time of prayer, church. Okay, at that time were bombed and burned because they means that house, that place completely bombed and burned. The people were burned. Why? Because they offered sanctuary. Because the Negro people asked sanctuary shelter to those who would not accept segregation. Some people, they have given the shelter for Negro people. Okay, immediately the white people, what did they do here? Immediately they burned the people with the fire. Yes, see how cruel they are. I am mindful that debilitating and grinding poverty afflict my people and change them to lowest rung of economic ladder. Okay, already we are in under poverty line. Okay, the Negroes are very under poverty line, and that too. Yes, here. Yes, I am mindful that debilitating means weakening, and grinding poverty afflict people, change them to lowest rung economic ladder. Economic ladder means you know that even though you are suppressing us, we are not, you are not giving chance to get into the ladder. Okay, we are not giving a chance to get into high position. We are still in the last position, means below poverty line. We are the below poverty line. We are not giving chance to climb up the economic ladder. Yes, that is in this paragraph we can find. Now let's go to the next topic, next paragraph. Therefore, I must ask why this prize is awarded to a movement which is beleaguered and committed to unrelenting struggle, to a movement which has not won very peace and brotherhood, which is essence of Nobel Prize. And he is questioning. Therefore, I must ask, prize awarded to a movement which is beleaguered. Beleaguered means here very difficult situation. And committed unrelating struggle. Here, my struggle. What is the struggle? He is fighting for his people to get the freedom. My struggle, which is not completed. Okay, to movement which has, but I won. You have given the Nobel Prize. Yes, and has not won very peace and brotherhood. Okay, and here the peace means Nobel Prize will be given to the person who has struggling for peace and brotherhood. Okay, the prize will be given for those people. But here the movement is going on. What is the movement? They are struggling to get the brotherhood and peace. And here for the Nobel Prize, peace is very mandatory. Okay, mandatory. But here I did not get any peace here. I did not get any brotherhood here. But that is the essence thing. Though you have given me that Nobel Peace Prize for me. Yes. After contemplation, I conclude that this award which I receive on behalf of that movement is profound recognition that non-violence is answer and a crucial political and moral question of our time. Yes, after contemplation, now I understood why you have given this prize to me, why you have given this award to me. Now I understood. Contemplation means very serious thinking. Yes, after contemplation, I conclude that this award which I receive on behalf of the movement is profound recognition that non-violence. Okay, I am following that non-violence. I am following non-violence movement. Okay, that was profound. Profound, which means extreme recognition. Recognition means identification. Means non-violence recognized. Extremely it was recognized. Non-violence movement, it was extremely recognized. Okay, I am going in the non-violence movement. Yes, is the answer to crucial political. Crucial political means here the political, very important political leaders. So you understood. I am going in this way. Which way? Non-violence movement way. So you understood how important it is. That's why you have given me this award. The need for man to overcome oppression and violence without resorting the violence and oppression. Actually, the man must need, and here the man to overcome. What the man has to overcome? Oppression and violence. Okay, and here the human beings overcome oppression and violence, and resorting to violence and oppression. But resorting which means place of frequent visiting. Okay, that is like shelter. Okay, and we have to overcome oppressing and violence, but we are taking shelter under oppressing and violence. We shouldn't take shelter under violence and oppression. He is saying that. Yes, civilization and violence are antithetical concepts. Here, civilization, you know that one. Civilization, society, which means love, equality, brotherhood. Okay, there we can find in the civilization society. And here violence. Violence means brutality we can find there. Okay, here civilization and next violence are antithetical. Antithetical means opposite concepts. Okay, if it is there, another will not be there. Okay, if it is in the civilized society, we cannot find violence. If it is in the violent society, we cannot find civilization. Okay, and both are not sterile passivity, but powerful moral force which makes for social transformation. Yes. Now, in the time of award, he is taking the award. In the time of he is taking the award, he is explaining about India. Okay. We know that when Gandhiji he has proved that non-violence. Okay. And now he is saying that Negroes of United States, Negroes in the United States, the persons who are staying in the United States, they are following what they are following, non-violence. Negroes of United States following people of India, what we have followed in those days. Okay, they are following India, and it already demonstrated. Already demonstrated means clearly shown truth with evidence. Okay, and demonstrated that non-violence is not sterile passivity, and here, but powerful moral force which makes for social transformation. Transformation which means change. Okay, here he is telling about there in the India, the people they have followed this non-violence movement. Finally, they transformed. Before they were under the whites, Britishers. Now they have taken their freedom. Okay, now they are in freedom India. Okay, now they are in the civilized society. Okay, and why they followed the non-violence movement? Yes, here this is the transformation. Transformation is completely change. Sooner or later, all the people of world will have to discover a way to live together in peace and thereby transform this pending cosmic elegy into creative psalm of brotherhood. Yes, here sooner or later means in a very few days, within a few years or months, people of world will have to discover, they have to search what they want to search, a way live together in peace. Okay, definitely the people they will search to live together. The Britishers, you will definitely discover to live together. I know that. He is telling. Yes. Discover the way live together in peace, thereby transform this pending cosmic elegy into creative song of brotherhood. At the time we are in, what is it, elegy? Elegy means it's a sad song. Okay, definitely you will search for it. If you search for it, the elegy means the bad song will turn into, what is it? That will be turned into psalm. Psalm means here it's a great song, a joyous song, a song of praising God. Okay, and here when you turn into good things, when you turn into peace, then our sad song will be turned into peace, brotherhood. Yes, if this is to be achieved, if you want to achieve brotherhood, if you want to achieve peace, if you want to achieve it, man must evolve for all human conflicts method which rejects revenge, aggression and retaliation. If you want to achieve peace, if you want to achieve brotherhood, what you have to do? You have to reject three things. What are those? Revenge, aggregation and next retaliation. Revenge means you know that one, and aggregation means attack means aggression means attack, and next retaliation means an act of revenge. You have to follow these things, then only you can get peace, then only you can get brotherhood. Yes, the foundation of such method is love. If you want to follow that retaliation, aggression and next revenge, if you want to follow, what you have to need? You have to need love. You have to love all the people. I am asking everyone, Britishers, the United States of America people, you have to love Negroes also. You have to love everyone. Yes. Yes, the tortuous road which has led from Montgomery, Alabama to Oslo bears the witness to this road. Yes, here the tortuous which means complicated or twisted. Okay, the road which is led from Montgomery, it's a place, Alabama to Oslo bears witness to this road. I am here, I am the truth. Okay, I came from that what is the place here? Yes, Montgomery. I am living in the Montgomery. I am giving the speech because I have shown the love to everyone. Okay, that's why I am the truth. I am the witness for you. If you follow the love, then you can get the peace, brotherhood. He is telling them. This is a road over which millions of Negroes are traveling to find new sense of dignity. This is the road. Which road? That untwisting road. Okay, this is the road over which millions of Negroes, so many people, nearly 2 crore people are there. They are traveling to find new sense of dignity. Okay, they wanted to get friendship with Britishers. Okay, they want to get the friendship with whites. Okay, and they are searching. They are eagerly waiting. The Negroes are eagerly waiting to get the friendship with whites, but you are not accepting that proposal. He is saying that. This is the same road has opened for all Americans a new era of progress and hope. It is not only for us. We are not only for us. This road is not only for us. This road is for even for Americans. Okay, you also can come in the road. Which road? Love, hope, peace. Okay, and yes, that road already opened. You can come to get brotherhood with us. It has led to a new civil right bill, and it will, I am convinced, yes, if you do it, definitely the civil right bill will come. I am convinced for that. I am understanding. I can accept this proposal. He said that. Yes, and that be widened and lengthened into super highway of justice as Negro and white man increasing number of create alliances overcome their common problems. Here, if you come like that, if you come into the peace, if you come in peace and brotherhood road, if you come, then our problems, we can overcome it. Alliances means a group of working together to achieve what they want. If you come in my way, means what I am saying, we must close, we must get friendship, we shouldn't fight each other. I am saying that if you come in my way, which way? Love, brotherhood, peace. If you come in my way, we can overcome our problems. Our common problems will be overcome. Okay, this is the speech we can find here, and some more speech left that we can see in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.